This is a 2007 Kia Spectra and it needs a fuel pump replaced. It's actually pretty easy to do. You pull the back seat up and it's all right there. You do it from inside the car. This takes about 30 minutes. So come on, I'll show you. First thing we got to do is get rid of this seat cushion. There's a button right there. Oh, these are so easy to get to. This is one of the fastest jobs you can do on the Kia. You do want to wear some gloves. There is some glue all the way around here. Sometimes it comes up. Sometimes you have to help it. But it's been 110 degrees in the car today. I think it's soft. All right. One quick connect. Two quick connects. Now we got the fuel hoses. Come on in closer. Need a pair of channel locks so you can get this clamp off. There's a button on the side of this tool. Push the green button, pull up, and then that's off. Might need the channel locks to get this hose off. Good deal. Gas came out of there, so that's why I recommend some gloves. We have to uncouple this bracket holder. $10mm wrench. And the fumes are going to be coming off of this, so you need to have good ventilation. I've got all four doors open on the car. If that's not enough, you may need to add a little fan to one of your sides. Push that out of the way. There's a ring. Take that off. Then you get to this big lock ring that you have to find some kind of tools to rotate it. I use a hammer and pin punches. If you have a screwdriver you don't like, you could probably put it into one of these holes and get the rotation to start. All right, it's up. I should have took the vacuum and got all this dirt off first. The old one's ready to come out, the new one's ready to go in. This is an all-in-one. It's got the filter, the float, and the pump. Sometimes it's easier just to replace an entire component. I probably should have put a garbage bag down so I don't track the fuel across the body. Any day now. This top is spring loaded, so when you put it in, there's going to be a gap between the fuel cell and the top. You have to depress this and turn the ring at the same time. It's a little difficult by yourself, so you may want to ask for help. Here we go. I don't know why it took so much effort to get that to depress. There we go. Now it's just tightening everything up, making new connections. Trying to fix a fuel pump. What are you doing? Don't forget to put that rubber cover on like I just did. Now before you button this all the way back up, this is the part where you want to turn the key on, make sure you hear the pump, and make sure that the fuel level needle rises. You might have to prime the system a few times just so the pump can fill up. Sounds good. Let's see if it'll run. So this should fix the problem that I had. I had a low fuel pressure and I had a fuel needle that stayed full all the time. So I was driving for the last few months, just filling up every 300 miles and just hoping that I didn't run out. So looks like we've got an improvement, and that's a wrap. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone.